Hello everyone, I hope this message finds you fit and fine. My name is Shashank Sir and I welcome you all to Edukemy, one platform where some revolutionaries are working together to deliver a fusion of quality and care, and that's how results are produced. So I'm making this video to give you two important messages. Number one, we are bringing a series of GS topic related videos for you. So we are going to cover polity, economy, history, science and tech, ethics, geography, environment, IR, governance. So a lot is coming. So from each domain, there will be one video on static part. For example, one video on emergency, then topic 2 on collegium. When I'm going to tell about collegium, so I'm not just going to talk about the static part. I'm going to talk about why that was in news. What were the recommendations related to collegium? So we are going to cover these topics in a crisp manner. But when I say crisp, it means it is not just going to be some information delivered to you. We are going to tell you how to approach this knowledge and how to use this knowledge in actual exam scenario. So this is going to be the pedagogy of these videos. So one advice is, since these videos are coming, so you should also prepare in advance. Now many of you would think, so videos are in, अब इसमें हम क्या प्रिपेयर करें, वीडियोस आ जाएंगी, प्रिपेयर कर लेंगे. My advice is that just go through these topics and when this video is released, just watch the video. It is my promise that you are going to feel some difference. For example, when it comes to emergency, just watch the video which is going to come on emergency. There will be some portions which you might have missed. There might be some interpretations which you might have overlooked. So we are getting you covered there. Similarly with this current affairs topic, what happened many times, just we go through the happening, the event, some major development. But there are some nitty-gritties which are required to handle the actual question. Those are missed. And all of you know, if one point is missed or 2 points are missed, it may be possible that UPSC is framing a particular question in such a way that it won't be possible to reach to the actual answer without that information. So we want to bridge that gap, and that is why we are bringing this video series. So my advice is, just press the subscribe button now, press the bell icon so that you are not missing any video. Take the screenshot of this list and be prepared in advance. Okay? This is definitely going to supplement your knowledge. My second information is, we have released a document, Gstoppers Hack. Many of you have these queries. So what to read in GS? How much to read? Means how much depth is needed? What are the important sections? So we have covered all of these queries in a very beautiful manner, structured in one document. So I would advise us take printout of this topper hack, and this topper hack should be on your table for quick reference. Okay. So all questions related to this cutoff, how much questions at least you should attempt in prelims, what is the categorization of questions which are asked in prelims, means easy, medium, difficult as per the past analysis. What are the important topics from actual subject, means polity, economy, history, geography. What are the sources you need to refer? And especially when it comes to GS mains, what are the topics which are important for paper 1, paper 2, paper 3, paper 4, and not just topic. What should be your strategy? So this strategy is compressed into short paras. So do go through this document, take printout, place this on your table, and this is definitely going to help you. And reach out to me, reach out to Edukemy. Just tell us in comments how these initiatives are helping you. And thanks for showing your love from the comments you gave, from the message you sent. So keep learning, keep growing. Shashank Sir signing off.